arts team.
I'm Miss Kreitzig, I'm the band teacher.
I'm Miss Perendy, I'm the dance teacher.
Mr. Kamek, the art teacher.
Miss Johnson, the choir teacher.
Mr. Roberts, the orchestra teacher.
Whether you guys are coming back face to face or continuing your education online, we cannot wait to see you and teach you guys.
Hello again, I'm Miss Perendy. This will be my 4th year here at Parkway. Here is some ways you can reach me. My email will be marina.perendy@osceolaschools.net, or it might be marina.esposito. This was the year the name I had last year, so not quite sure if my email has switched over, but I'll put both up just in case the Perendy doesn't work, okay? But otherwise it would be marina.esposito@osceolaschools.net. If you are coming back face to face, we will be wearing our face masks the whole time from the locker room to the classroom. But you will need a few supplies. You will need a lock for your locker, just a basic combination lock. If you get anything bigger, it doesn't fit on the lockers in the locker room. You will need athletic clothes. That means a t-shirt and pants, like stretchy pants. Preferably not leggings, but like joggers or sweats or thicker like yoga pants work. Boys can wear basketball shorts or sweats or joggers as well, but something that you feel comfortable in and feel comfortable moving around in. And you will need one notebook for class, and that will be traveling with you to and from the locker room every day you see me. I do have some extra ones here for you, but they've been used previously by prior students, so they're a little messy. So if you want like a fresh new, your own notebook, I would suggest bringing one in. You will need that by the 2nd week of school that you come in. Now, if I am seeing you online, you don't need athletic clothes and you do not need a lock for your locker. You will just need some scrap paper or a notebook so you can jot some things down when you're at home. Here is this information one more time for you, just a little closer, so you have time to write it down. All right, here are some things to expect, whether you are returning face-to-face or you will be doing virtual. First, I'm going to discuss the face-to-face students will be coming back. Now, if you're brand new to the dance program or to Parkway, you typically start in the locker room. That's where we change. And then we walk from the locker room to the dance room. Of course, I will go over those procedures once you are here. I want to assure you that I am of course taking into consideration social distancing and CDC guidelines and all that stuff, so we will make it as safe as possible. But I need your help to do that, okay? But when you get into the classroom, you will be wearing your masks the whole time. We might eventually, when it's a little cooler out, be able to go outside and really spread out on the tennis courts, or not tennis courts, the basketball courts, and we might be able to remove them at that point, but that won't be for a couple months when it's not hot outside. Okay, in the classroom though, this is how I have the classroom set up. The floor is taped out, so each student will get their own square or box to stand in during class. This year dance class will look a little bit different in here. We will be doing some moving and some dancing, of course, but it's going to be a lot more non-locomotor movement, staying in place. And then as far as performances, we will have to play it by ear, okay? But I still promise that you are part of the Parkway Dance family, and we will still have fun together, okay? You will be graded on your participation, your dressing out, and your notebook, okay? As far as movement exams and performance grades, That will obviously have to just depend on how the year goes. Now, if I'm teaching you virtually online, get used to seeing me like this on your computer. This is how I will be teaching you guys. Now, if I see you online, it is not a dance class. It is a critical thinking course. Now, because I am a dance teacher, I will still be teaching you some dance terminology and things like that in case you're a 6th or 7th grader. And when you return, hopefully next year, you have some basic dance knowledge and information. But the majority of the course will be a lot of discussions and just kind of getting our brains working and thinking things from different angles and stuff like that. So it'll be a good semester. Okay, a few more things for my virtual students. A couple of my expectations will be that even though you are at home, I am still going to expect that you are dressed in clothes. They do not need to be athletic clothes, but they cannot be your pajamas, okay? I know the end of last semester we were just managing, getting through it, but this year we're starting strong, and I expect you to be dressed, okay? Along with that, I expect you to be on your computer, and I do expect the camera to be on and pointed at your face, okay? I miss you guys, and I want to see your faces, all right? And, also lastly, you have 4 minutes, it sounds like, between your class periods to go to the bathroom, get a drink, have a snack. I'm going to also allow you to have about 4 extra minutes to get online and logged into my class, because typically you would have about that amount of time in the locker room anyway. So I'm going to give you just a little extra time for my class in case you need to use the restroom or get a snack or anything like that, okay? All right, thank you for watching my open house video. Parents and students, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. And last thing I want to say is I understand that we are entering a school year that will be unlike anything we've ever experienced before. Whether you're learning from home or coming in face-to-face, I'm here to empathize with you guys and the hardships that you're going through, but I'm also here to add structure, to help you process, cope, and express yourself through what we've been going through. And I'm also here to help you find resilience through the face of adversity. Okay? That's what my class is going to provide. And I'm so happy to welcome you to the Parkway Dance family. Even if you're learning from home, you're still part of the Parkway Dance family. And I cannot wait to meet you and help set you up for a successful year. All right. Thank you.